ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kumsi bentaban Pynbha ya Rukom Trei jangatanat Public Works Department hagajila ka Sorkar kalashim ya karai ban Pynkhreh no da ka office memorandum. Ya gani karai jong ka Sorkar lashim hagajing yalang bala khot da usembut menteri rangba kajela uba Preston tensong ya gi laiteli kitanat Sorkar bakentup ya katanat planning, finance, bat ka PWD menta ka sngi ka khat sautarik unai weng arajar arpulai. Uba Preston ulapan syai leng bagi lat patai kubor da ka baong bagi laiteli kitanat kila ai ya gi jing batai babnia halor ka wei ka kam. Bat kata kalong ban penjanai ya ka Rukom Trei jangatanat PWD laga day nagamenta ki surok thamai ki jing maramot ya ki surok lani ban penbit penbiang ya ki surok rim.
And the presentation jointly done by planning department and then from finance as well as from PWD roads. And the presentation is only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the PWD, be it the new road, be it the construction of new road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHIDCL. So we discuss all these details, and very soon we will come up with OM, all the detailed OM, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road, which one is a minor road, which one is village road, which one is the most commercial viable approach road. These are the issues we discuss, and then we have already finalized everything, and we will come up with the with all those issues in the form of the office memorandum. Well, that one, I think, in fact, I've already instructed the CE National Highway to look into it, because in fact, this provision is being done by the RO. We call it this RO station from Guwahati of the Nahai themselves. They are the one who even passed the bill, everything. And I have already instructed therefore my chief engineer whether the allocation made is correct or not, and we will see that such kind of recklessness in the execution of project, be it road, be it any project in the state of Meghalaya, should not happen.